here we are at the South Carolina Railroad Museum. Sleeper car, a little sink, a little bed, another cabin bed and a bathroom. There's bunk beds. Come in here, a little sink, your toilet. And there's actually a shower right there. This little mirror. Another mirror. I guess the mirror's trying to make it look bigger. I don't think that's possible. Here's your fancy dining room. Light switches. I believe this is the workers' cars. Guess we can come into here. Bunk bed up there. That converts to a bed. There's another shower and toilet and sink for the workers. All pretty rough. Little kitchen for the workers. Here's a slightly larger kitchen with a stove or a whole range. Little sink, a little pass through there so you can work on both sides prepping the food for all the passengers. Walk to the next car. This is the mail car. I have what I believe is radiators here. Mail bags. Oh, somebody knocked over the trains. Oh no. Oh no. Up through here. Here's where they would sort more mail. Here's a baggage car. Kinds of artifacts, big handbrake wheel, corrugated side. Oh, this car actually has wood, a flickering light, but has a wood ceiling. Wow, pretty cool. More bits and pieces and old stuff all throughout here. Pictures of various railroads from South Carolina. There's the Spartanburg Depot right there. And this is the Greenville Depot. Pretty cool. Back, saggy fan blades. So we were just on those cars that curve around that way, and then we come up here to the Pullman car. This car was locked. Here's the steam engine. Hampton and Branchville. The Charleston NRHS. Wow. There's some more information on that. Let's see what's inside the caboose here. So we got seats and areas to work. This caboose doesn't have a cab up above. Nice furnace and a sink there. So here we have a circus train car. The museum actually has 4 of them. They have 3 on display right here, as you can see the number there. They are not open to the public yet. Get up close to them though. There's your wheels, your brakes, everything of course kept up to date on these because they were used up until very recently. Maybe this was car number 32. Hey, look at that logo. Isn't that awesome? The logo. According to the museum staff, they have I'm not sure what's in these cars, but they also have a car that carried horses. Apparently, they haven't cleaned and gotten that one ready to show yet. I think somebody left the train on. What is a doinker? Ringling Brothers, Barnum and Bailey circus trains here at the South Carolina Railroad Museum in Winnsboro, South Carolina.